Today we are going to make sacred water and sacred incense using the 4 elements. Sacred water is made from the elements of water and salt. Sacred incense is made from incense and fire. So first of all, we set our altar up with representations of the 4 elements as followed. In the north, we have salt to represent earth. Note, we're using rock salt here, or more specifically Himalayan salt, as that would be more appropriate of earth rather than using sea salt or table salt. In the east, we have our incense representing air. In the south, representing fire, we have a candle, and in the west, a goblet of water, which represents the element of water. So to make sacred water, we bring the goblet to the centre of the altar on the pentacle, which represents all the elements, including Akasha. To make sacred water, we stir it either with our athame or with a finger, starting anti-clockwise to remove everything that is not in accordance with our will, and change to clockwise to let all good enter herein. The water can then go back on the west of the altar, and we bring salt and place it on the pentacle. We begin by going anti-clockwise to remove anything that is not in accordance with our will, and then clockwise to let all good enter herein. And then you take 3 pinches of salt and put it into the water and stir the water clockwise this time. And there you have sacred water. Now the sacred incense, just put that back in the north. Sacred incense is made from fire and incense. We'll begin by lighting the candle. And this time again, using the athame or the finger, you work anti-clockwise around the candle, asking for everything that is not within your will to be removed, and then clockwise to let all good enter therein. Then we can take the incense, light it at the candle. This is the combining of fire and air. We can then blow out the flame and go again anti-clockwise to remove all that is not in accordance with our will, and then clockwise to let all good enter therein. And the incense can then go back to the east of the altar and the fire to the south. And that is how we make sacred water and sacred incense.